In today's video, you will learn how to make a portable inhaler to unclog your nose. Does your nose get easily clogged? Did you know that high temperatures tend to dry out the nasal mucosa? So it is a good idea to always carry an inhaler with you. And it is even better if it is natural. After all, commercial nasal sprays don't always solve the issue. These sprays also have side effects like drowsiness, dry nasal mucosa, nasal bleeding, and in severe cases, the clogging worsens after a while, even causing dependence or tachycardia. To make a natural inhaler, you will need one small hard plastic container with a lid. You can use a glass container, but be careful not to break it. Cotton balls, essential oils, preferably peppermint, lemon, or eucalyptus. Saline solution. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. How to do it? Start by properly sanitizing the container. Then dampen the cotton balls with saline solution. Careful to not let the cotton soak. Then mix your chosen essential oils. Use 20 drops in total. Pour the essential oil mix over the cotton balls evenly. Using it is easy. Remove the lid and inhale the contents 3 times. You can keep your portable inhaler in the fridge. This way, when you use it or take it to another place, it will be preserved. Usually, stuffy nose is instantly relieved. You can use the inhaler for 5 days on average. After that, the ingredients may start to lose their power, so it is best to make a new inhaler. Try it and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.